Hey guys, I am Bianca. Welcome back to my channel. I have been waiting days, which feels like forever, to do this because I wanted to make sure to film it. So I picked up some things from Facebook Marketplace, the thrift store, and then I actually got a couple of things for free. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got, where I got it from, and how much I paid, and then we'll get started on the makeovers. All right, so the first thing that I'm gonna show y'all is this hutch. You guys, this is all solid wood, and I do have some stuff up here that I want to pick up to do my makeover, so you'll see that stuff up there. I picked this up from Facebook Marketplace for only, guess how much, guys? $35. There is some damage, and I did try to start sanding it down just to see how it would look. As you can see, there are some drawers down here, and they are in such good shape. I opened them, they look practically brand new. There's only one little knob missing, so I will show you what I picked up for this. I'm just gonna show you inside these drawers. Look, you guys, all solid wood. And then this one in the middle opens up. This one doesn't actually have the pull on it. This one does. I'm not worried about that at all. I want to keep the original hardware. So what I'm going to do is take this one and move it to this drawer. And then for the middle one, I picked it up from Ace Hardware. It was about, I don't know, maybe $3, $4. Then I went to Habitat for Humanity. Liz Fenwick DIY, she always goes there and raves about it, so I decided to check it out. I found this in the drawer section, which it doesn't even look like a drawer. It actually just looks like an old, like little wooden crate, and that's what I'm gonna use it for. I love the rustic look of it. That is just my favorite right now. Oh, and it was $2. This is just an old magazine holder for only $5. Look at all of the wood detail on it. Again, with this piece, I believe I am going to just wipe it down really good and yeah, leave it just like that. I got are these. Look at these beauties. They're all beat up, especially on the top. I want to sand these down really well. I'm gonna use these in my living room, and I actually been having them in here, and I'm sure people are like, what the heck is going on? But I just decided to have them in the living room to kind of just remind me to hurry up and get on it with the makeover. I actually received these for free. My cousin Julie, if you remember last time, she gave me a couple of things that I did makeovers on. Both of the drawers are missing the pulls on them. I picked up 2 from Ace Hardware. I'm going to show you that. And I guess there was another drawer down here. I like these because they kind of look vintage, and I think it'll go nice on there. The first thing I'm going to do is get started with the sanding of these 2. I am using this 150 sanding paper. All right, you guys, it is the next morning and it came out so pretty. The coverage as well. The only thing is that I did end up using both cans. It is really nice. I'm sorry if you can't really tell, but it is like a creamy color. It is not white. Yes, you can see some of that damage that I was trying to sand down. I did sand it down for a really long time, you guys, and I did try to get it as flat as possible. And yeah, you can kind of see it, but honestly, I think that just makes it look more antique and vintage. I can easily add, you know, a piece of fabric up here for the holidays or something like that. So now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and add the little knob that I showed y'all. For the hutch, my plan is to sand just this part down because this is where the damage is at, all right here. I want to use this on here because, oh my gosh, you guys, if you've ever seen wooden pieces with lime wax, Google it or YouTube it so you know what I'm talking about. It's just gorgeous. And it makes it look like a restoration hardware type piece. So that's my goal. And also, this piece is super heavy. I cannot take it outside to sand it, so I am gonna just lightly just sand this area down really quick in here. I ended up using the blow dryer method to take off that sticker. I somehow figured it out. I just left the blow dryer on it for like 20-30 seconds and I just started to peel it off and scrape it kind of with my nail and it came off. It has a little residue, of course, but I'm gonna wipe everything down. Then I'm gonna take off the hardware and then we can start doing the liming wax. I'm gonna go ahead and do that first because I do need to go to the store to pick up a little can of that chiffon chalk paint that I'm using on the end tables. The directions for this just basically say to load a bristled brush, and I'm gonna use my chalk paint brush and then just use it for wax from now on. This is where we are at right now. All the wax is currently done. My chalk paint just came in today. It is Thursday. I ordered it yesterday before 2 p.m. and of course Amazon Prime delivered it today. So I was so happy when it came. It literally took less than 24 hours. So now I can start. I'm gonna paint just the back of this, just that back area and this part right here. So I'm gonna start at the top and work my way down. For some reason, this shelf doesn't want to come off. I can't remove it, but the second shelf I am able to remove it. Ooh. So I'm gonna remove the second shelf so it'll be easier to paint. I just scooted that back a little bit and that way I can paint this. I could take it off, but I have nobody here. I'm here by myself and I cannot pick this up. It is really heavy. I am finally done, you guys. That chiffon paint is so beautiful, but I need to go back to Home Depot or Lowe's and get a drill bit to put 2 holes. The holes will have to be on the sides, not up and down. That's the last thing I have to do to it, but other than that, it is done. I am so happy with the way it came out. I love it, and as you can tell, I did put this piece right here in the center and I just added a couple of things. I'm not sure if I told you, but I did leave the sides like that. I didn't do anything to the sides right there, and just because on a flat surface it is hard to apply the wax. This doesn't have an open grain to it, so it does take time to do that. So I just went ahead and left it like that, which is fine. I really love it. And lastly, I just wanted to show y'all my end table with the magazine holder. And in the magazine holder, I just have a couple of pumpkins, some Hobby Lobby florals, that wooden candlestick, which was also thrifted for $1. And back there I have a tile that I got from Hobby Lobby that you actually can hang up on your walls. I've been having that, so I really love that next to the end table. And I just have that Hobby Lobby base with some leaf stems in there. The last thing I need to do to this, I believe, is, I think I told y'all, is just get a basket right there. All right, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope I gave you inspiration to shop locally at your thrift stores, garage sales, Facebook Marketplace. I'm becoming very addicted to that because people are constantly posting daily, hourly, and it is so cheap. So I really like looking there. I'm actually looking at an area rug right now that I might pick up. So I hope you enjoyed my ideas and how I made over some of the items. Now again, this is my style. I know everybody has different tastes. I just really love that wax look and that wax finish on the wood. I'm happy I was able to do that and tone down that orangey wood color. Not everybody might like that, but hopefully you can try it on something that you have. Maybe you want to toss out. You don't have to do that. You can totally tone down an orangey old wood color. So I hope you all have a great weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.